Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15fd0018ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15fd0018ns only works when plugged in, it's likely that the battery is failing. This is a common issue that can occur over time due to wear and tear. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to more significant problems, such as damage to the motherboard or other components. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new battery compatible with the HP 15fd0018ns. Start by ensuring the device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw securing the battery. Once the screws are out, gently slide the latches to release the battery. If you encounter resistance, use your plastic spudger to carefully pry it up, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. With the old battery removed, take the new battery and align it with the connectors in the battery bay. Press it down firmly to ensure a secure fit. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to hold the battery in place without over-tightening. At this point, it's essential to reconnect any cables that may have been disconnected during the process. Ensure they are firmly seated in their respective connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, flip the laptop back over, power it on, and check that it's charging correctly. If the indicator light shows that it's charging, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to avoid letting the battery drain completely on a regular basis, as this can shorten its lifespan. Regularly check for software updates that can optimize battery performance and consider using battery health monitoring tools. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.